What's up YouTube, welcome to a video. In this video we will learn how we can show all the documents inside a collection into the data grid view using C#. So let's begin. What we have done so far is that we have set all the application credentials. So if you don't know how to do that, just watch the first video of the Firestore playlist. Another thing that we will use in this video is the city class, and inside this city class we have some properties which are labeled as Firestore properties, which is necessary so that the Firestore library could understand that these are the properties that we will use to store our data. And Firestore data, labeling Firestore data is also necessary. So now let's look at the Firestore database. So here is our Firestore database, and this is the collection that I will be demonstrating in this video. So it has 4 documents and data inside it, and we are trying to show all these data sets into our data grid view. So that's our objective for this video. So first of all, I will go to the design, and here I need a data grid view. Uncheck all of these options and make it a little bigger, and then I need a button, and then double click it. So here is the event, and instead of coding inside the event, I'm gonna create a separate method. So async method void get all documents, and it's gonna take a string. So string name of collection. So here in this line we are defining the query that what should be the name of the collection which we are about to retrieve, and here we are executing the above query. So now we have the query and all the city data inside the query. All we have to do is extract that data in the form which could be added to our data grid view. So for each loop, and we will gonna add it document wise. So document snapshot doc snap in snap.documents. Now with the help of the city class we will gonna create a city object, and then doc snap dot convert to city. So we will gonna retrieve the data in the form of city. We have saved the data in the form of city, and then we can retrieve the data in the form of city too. So if docsnap dot exists, show it in the data grid view. So data grid view dot rows dot add, and first add the name of the city. So the name of the city is actually the ID, and then the city province. So city dot province, and then city is capital dot to string, because it's a boolean, so we have to convert it into a string. Now city dot population dot to string. Now I'm gonna explain this method once again. First we are writing the query that we want a collection of this name, and then we are executing the query. Then inside the query we are extracting documents one by one. For that we are using the for each loop to print all the document, to show all the documents, and then in each iteration of the loop we are getting the data of a city inside this city object, and then extracting the data inside the data grid view. So one by one all the rows will be added to the data grid view. Now let's again move to the design section, and we also have to add columns over here. So the first column should be the name of the city, So I would have to increase its width 150. Now it looks alright. Now let's get again into the button event, and here we will say get all documents, and in the argument we will pass my cities. So that is the name of the collection, my cities. So now let's test it out. So all of the data inside my cities collection is shown in the data grid view. So this is all for the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.